Welcome to our review of the drone with camera. This drone is perfect for adults and kids alike, with its 1080 HD camera and 2.4-inch LCD screen controller. Our drone comes with an 8GB SD card and card reader, supporting up to 32GB SD cards to store and play your wonderful photos and videos. Review your footage on the go and share it with friends and family. Perfect for kids and beginners, our drone features multiple functions, including optical flow positioning, stable hover, 3D flips, headless mode, one-key takeoff/landing, obstacle avoidance, trajectory flight, and gesture control. Our foldable drone is easy to store and transport, weighing less than 249 grams, making it exempt from FAA registration. Enjoy a safe flying experience with a flight time of 16 minutes and capture stunning aerial footage. With 4 brushless motors, our drone consumes less power and provides stable flight. The motors also have a relatively long service life, ensuring the long-term stable operation of the drone. Whether you're a seasoned drone enthusiast or just starting out, our drone with camera is perfect for capturing life's most thrilling moments. With its advanced features, stable flight, and real-time transmission, you'll never miss a shot. Get your drone with camera today and experience the thrill of aerial photography. With its advanced features, stable flight, and fun functions, this drone is perfect for adults and kids alike. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below to learn more about this drone and other great products. Thanks for watching. Order now and start capturing stunning aerial footage with our drone with camera. Perfect for any occasion, this drone is sure to delight.